Hi Franz! If you watch my other videos, you know that I'm all about maximizing growth. And that's not limited to only my propagation methods, but also on how to get my plants to grow over the winter in Seattle when it's cold and gray. In this video, I would like to share with you my tips and hacks that you can use for all your tropical plants. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to grow along with us. One of the biggest struggles I have in my urban jungle is providing tropical plants with the humidity levels that they enjoy in their natural environment. I have 2 humidifiers because all of my plants are in the living room, which really should be renamed the plant room. Our space is very open, so even with 2, I still don't think the humidity is enough. The Lavoie is set to 60%, but keep in mind that it is only the immediate area around the humidifier that is 60%. Humidity drops rapidly every foot you are away from it. Pebble trays are a great and simple way to increase the humidity. I line my shelves with shoe trays from IKEA to catch any spillage, but also as leca trays to increase the humidity. Since leca is made from clay, they can absorb and release water into the air quickly. The trays dry up and need to be refilled every 3 days. Lastly, the real game changers are mini greenhouses. You can create a greenhouse out of jars, and a lot of home stores now sell cloches that you can put over your plants. I have chosen a more economic option, plastic storage boxes with lids, because I want as many of my plants to enjoy high humidity as possible. The only modification I made is I drilled holes on each side of the walls to allow for some airflow. My plants love growing in the boxes because of the consistently high humidity. In addition, I also have heat mats under each box to keep the temperature around 70 degrees, tricking them to think it's still summer so they continue growing. Heat mats will dry out your plants a lot faster, so I open the box about every 3 days to water and let fresh air in. Lastly is lighting. I got these really affordable LED lights off of Amazon, and they're great for a wide range of plants depending on how close the canopy of the plants are to the lights. One Instagrammer uses the same LED strips for her succulents, and she has them 3 inches away. For tropical plants that like bright and direct light, I would give them at least 6 inches. You can test with different plants, as some can handle higher light than others, but I have definitely burned a few of them because the light was too close. For some of my plants, the LED lights are the only source of light. I hope this video has inspired you to up your plant game. I would love to hear about your tips and hacks in the comments below. I have been considering making and maybe buying a greenhouse to replace my shelves. If you have one in your living room, I'd love to be inspired by you. Find me on Instagram to share ideas and pics. Until next time, happy growing.